Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Katanga. I hope all you are doing good. So friends, today's video is a GRWM makeup tutorial, and now I am first doing prep and prime. Firstly, I am applying Dev Gandhara brand toner, and then after I am using Swarovski all skin types vegan and pH balance feather touch moisturizing base, and you can use it as a primer, and you can use it as a makeup removing milk. So it depends on how you use it. And then after using foundation of Just Herb serum foundation with SPF 30 for dewy finish guys, and my shade is Ivory for fair skin tone. Then after I'm applying concealer on my under eye and my upper eyeball area, my where I'm needed. So I'm highlighting areas of my face. So my concealer is Makeup Revolution London. This is work as both. You can use it as a corrector and a concealer. So this is a full coverage concealer, and you can see that just now I'm applying this, and look at the finishing. So just after I'm applying, I'm set my brows with the Mars palette, and I'm using dark brown shade. And then after I'm applying satin loose powder, which is in the shade powder yellow, and applied it in all over on my face and on my neck, and then on highlighting areas. Then after I'm applying eyeshadow on my eyelid, I'm using dark brown shade which is of Swiss Beauty Take Me Anywhere. And then I'm applying light mauve shade from the palette Swiss Beauty Take Me Anywhere, and then I'm applying light mauve shade from the palette Swiss Beauty Take Me Anywhere and on my eyelids of both the eyes, and then blend it properly. And then after I'm applying dark brown shade on the crease area of both my eyes and blend it properly. Blending is the most important application during makeup, so blending is a must-have process. Then after I'm applying light peachy shade as a transition shade on my both eyes. Then on the middle side of my eyes, I'm applying light glittery shade, rose gold shimmer shade, as you can see from the palette Swiss Beauty Take Me Anywhere. And on the lower lash line, I'm applying Lakme Iconic Kohl waterproof no smudge, last up to 24 hours, and this is in turquoise shade kajal. So and blend it with a small brush properly. So guys, you have to go with a different kind of brushes for the different kind of makeup skills, makeup techniques. So you can say that you have to be have different kinds of brushes on your wardrobe. After I am applying kajal pencil of Mars in the shade nude shade on my both the border lines of my eyes, and then on my inner duct area I am applying bluish pearl shimmer shade from the palette Revolution London. And now my eye makeup look is complete now. And then after I am contour my face. For contouring my face, using Tipsy Beauty Silk Cushion Contour in the shade Chocolate Drizzle on the high points of my face. Then I am applying liquid blusher of Bella Vita in the shade Pink Promise. So this is a very budget friendly makeup product guys, a must have product, and a very beautiful light peachy shade. You must go for this. And then after I am applying and second layer to lock my liquid blush, then I'm applying Etude brand blush, which is in the shade pink, light pink shade, and very nice product. This product is in the powdered form texture. And then after I'm applying contouring on my nose to make my nose slim and pointed. Then after I'm going to do some touch-up of satin loose powder again on my face and neck, because summer is going to be very terrible nowadays. And then after lip makeup, and firstly I'm applying lip liner on my lips, and I'm using brown shade liquid brown shade from the brand Parul Girl Pro Silk Matte Liquid Lipstick. It 03 Chocolate Cosmos. So I'm applying this on my both lips and then blend it properly. I'm creating a hack, and you can know that I'm already creating so many beauty hacks related to lip hack and other hacks. Then after I'm applying liquid lipstick on my middle area of the lips in the shade Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade 13 Nude Pink. Then after I'm applying highlighter on my face. So highlighter I'm applying of the brand Europe Girl and in the shade Ethereal. And this palette of Europe Girl has the combination of having 6 colors in the powder texture. And now after I'm applying Perfect Grip Spray Coat Exceptionally Fine Mist for Superior Makeup Hold Dewy Finish Coat Setting Mist, and it's very nice product guys, a must have product guys. You definitely check out this product. And then आप देख सकते हो कि कितना ज़्यादा मेरा जो है फेस ग्लो कर रहा है आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस मैजिकल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड. My full makeup is complete now. Tell me guys about my makeup look, JWF makeup tutorial, and subscribe my channel Fashion Ka Tadka for more such hacks and makeup tutorials. Till bye bye for the next video.